how to make money on people per hour as a business plan writer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the visitors of the platform. So for example, if I was a visitor looking for a business plan writer, I will go to the search box in here, click on search freelancers, and then enter my skill in here, business plan writer. Then I'm going to search for one, and here I'm going to go for all offers, and there are none. So I think there is a problem in how I presented the skill. Let's search for business plan writing. So here we have all of those profiles that are doing the same skill like the one we want to do. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile as well to be just like these people with your own profile in here with your hourly rate and your skills and your skills profile. So you have to go back to the main page to start from the beginning. Click on the freelancer button in your top right to proceed to creating your account, and here click on I want to work as a freelancer, and then click on sign up with email. Then you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email and my password as well, and then click on login. And here, as you can see, you're almost ready to start signing. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about signing and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, let's click on apply now. And here, complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here, drop a profile picture. Then you proceed to drop in your job title, and they give you an example, award-winning web developer, or you can go for business plan writing. Then you proceed to add in your skills, and here the maximum amount of skills that you can add is 15, so make sure to use these spots wisely. So let's start typing the skills. Let's go here for business writing, business support, development, data, planning. Let's go with planning. And also we have here business strategy. Let's go for business strategy. And here we have plan, floor planning, project planning. Let's see what else we can find in plan, keyword, financial planning, marketing planning, strategic planning. Let's go for plan as well. Keyword, production, enterprise resource planning development, lesson plan writing, space planning, keyword, enterprise resource planning, event, financial planning. I think the financial planning is under the business plan writing, so let's use that as well. Then you proceed to the description. So here guys, describe yourself to buyers. So what I prefer personally to do is go to the search button in here and click on search freelancers, and then I'm going to search for my competitors and check their descriptions, see how they organize their description, what are they talking about in their description, and see how they organize it, how are they talking or describing their skill, and take inspiration from that and build my description from theirs. So here this problem keeps happening. I don't know why. Writer, click on the search. So here we have the business plan. As you can see, full business plan, 3-year finance statements, and marketing plan for $705. This one, write a professional business plan with 5-year forecasts, more than $1,000. Write a business plan, $280, $600, $300, $100. So let's check the man with $1,000 description, and he got 45 sales, as you can see, and he's also a private investor. Let's read his description, and from the get-go you'll notice that this is a well-organized description. As you can see, I'm a qualified accountant, zero specialist, and private investor and business plan writer who can help you with all of your accounting and finance requirements for you and your business. My services include year-end accounts preparation and submission to MRC, and Companies House, financial forecast preparation, business plan writing service, 5-year financial forecasts, help to set up and integrate Xero. If you have got yourself into a mess with Xero, I can clean everything up for you. Financial modeling, financial due diligence, financial analysis and reporting, business process automation. I have bought and sold businesses in the UK, and if you are looking to sell your business, then I can help you to prepare it for sale in order to ensure that you get the best possible outcome. If you don't prepare it correctly, then you run the risk of selling it for a lower value, or you might even fail to attract any potential buyers. So this is a very good inspiration for us if you want to make a decent description for our profile. So let's go back to our profile, and here click on the edit button. Then you will be able to edit everything in your profile, even the hourly rate, and you can drop your phone number if you want. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.